Welcome back here in Wake Up Ilocos, and it's now time for Ilocano Act. Syempre, it's an honor for Core TV and of course Wake Up Ilocos na may guest natin on today's show. Syempre, ang award-winning Ilocano architect na si Architect Raimundo Ichon Florentino. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Yes. Meron pa akong mga questions sa'yo. So, kailan ka po ba nag-start bilang isang architect?
I graduated from the University of Santo Tomas in 1980.
Opo.
And I passed my board exam a year after, 1981.
Okay. So, ano po yung nagpa-motivate sa inyo na itapos yung architecture?
Well, my father is an architect. He was one of the pioneering architect in Vigan. And yun, siya nag-inspire to follow his footsteps.
Ayun. Ito lang, trivia lang tungkol sa akin, ano. Nun kasi architect, naging ano rin ako, dati rin ako architecture student. I didn't survive. Hindi ako nakasurvive. Ang hirap po. It's so pressure. Pero kaya natutuwa ako pag nakakakita ko ng mga architects. Sobrang hirap po kasi talaga na pagdadaanan. So ano po yung mga parangal po pala na mga nakuha ninyo as an architect?
Very lucky, and it was an opportunity for me to represent our country way back in 1985 in one of the international competitions, no? Held in Kuching, Malaysia, which is the Delphi Games. So I was invited to represent the Philippines in the architectural conservation category.
And ano pong nakuha natin doon?
And we're lucky to garner the Golden Delphic Award.
Wow, congratulations.
From among the 21 countries.
Diba? Balik kayo lang po talaga ang Philippines.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the latest po na project na po na ginawa ninyo?
I have several conservation and contemporary projects. So far, I have done around 12 vegan houses, restoration, some modern houses, a school, and right now we are finishing a bar deli. It's a restaurant na incorporated doon yung culture natin.
Parang may pagka-Ilocano yung dating?
Yeah.
What is your best project po so far?
Ang best project ko...
I mean, as an architect na lang po, pinaka-best.
Well, of course, I cannot say na favorite eh. Kasi lahat ng projects ko kasi I treat them as all my favorites. Walang ano. But in significance, siguro, I would say na I was part, or I gave the concept on the UNESCO marker that we have in Vigan, the one in the Capitol, yung monument.
So ano po yung mga hardships ninyo sa pagiging sa architect? Mga nadaanan ninyo, mga challenges?
Sometimes people tend to misunderstand you. Parang ganun, diba? Kasi syempre there is a client architect relationship, and sometimes you find some clients so demanding na hindi naman dapat.
Hindi naman po natin mag-iwasan yung mga gano'n. So what is your signature design po? Parang eto, gawa talaga to ni Architect Ray, gano'n. Kasi makikita mo yung isang factor.
Sa details.
What kind
sa general character ng bahay. So you will find some details na sometimes you can say na it's mine.
Yes. Okay, so sino pong inspiration niyo? Yes.
God. Wow. He is the greatest architect of all. He created everything. So as an architect, yan maganda sa architecture because you can create something from nothing.
Yes,
from a concept.
Just like God, diba? He's an architect of the world. Kaya...
Yeah, he's the greatest architect.
Yes, tama po yan. So, ito po, paano niyo po masasabi na isa ka pong proud Ilocano?
Proud to be an Ilocano, or from Ilocos Sur, for that matter, and from Vigan specifically. Because there are a lot of things to learn, no? From our history, from our culture, ganun, di ba? So we have the vegan houses ngayon, ganun. So because vegan Ilocos Sur was the center of everything during the Spanish colonial period. So dito lahat nag-merge, lahat ng culture, politics, religion, education, social life, ganun. Nandito lahat sa atin noon. So I think in one of my personal advocacy is yung heritage conservation.
Yes.
So I think it's worth going back and learning things from the past, so we can share it for the present generation.
So architect, do you think in the next 10 years mape-preserve pa rin natin talaga yung mga historical houses natin, the mga ancestral?
That all depends on us. Kaya nga dapat it's paramount for all of us na we should learn, understand, appreciate the heritage that has been passed on to us para magkaroon tayo ng heart, ng
those,
puso na pangalagaan itong mga pinamana sa atin. It's been here with us for the past 100 years, no? So why should we destroy it now? So I think it's our obligation and our responsibility to take care of these, because we are the present stewards. We are the present stewards of this. That it is our obligation to pass it on to the next generation for them to know their history also. Di ba ang sabi, pagka hindi mo alam yung pinanggalingan mo, baliwala ka. Di mo alam hindi mo alam papanoonan mo. So we have to learn from the past. So for us to learn to know ourselves as a person.
Tama po. So architect, meron po tayong mga awards na naidala niyo po. Ano po itong mga ito?
This one was the award that we got from Malaysia during the, I can say, most prestigious because it's an international award. And then the other one is from our local organization, the United Architects of the Philippines, no? Parang recognition yata. Parang ganun. Tapos, this one is the Father Burgos Award. Parang ito daw yung mataas na award from the provincial government to people in Ilocos Sur. It's an award for architecture.
You deserve it, architect.
The Father Burgos Award.
Yes. Ito naman po, this is, I think,
this is the gist of my presentation sa Malaysia. So it's all about vegan. No, the ins and outs of the vegan house. So parang meron akong nag-gather na old photographs of vegan, no, yung mga streetscapes, mga bahay, mga interiors, mga ganun.
Ito po yung dinala po ninyo on Malaysia?
Yes, but it was in a electronic form na parang PowerPoint presentation.
Okay, so architect, ito na po, huli na po ito. Ano po ang mga mensahe ninyo sa ating mga aspiring architects? And of course, sa mga architects rin po dito sa Bigan, sa buong Ilocos.
That architecture is a way of life. First and foremost. Secondary lang yung profession. Ganun. So, in architecture, we should practice to serve others. No? Ganon, secondary lang yung monetary reward. Of course, kailangan nyo. But I think what is more important is yung ano ba yung nagawa mo? No, pinag-uusapan ba yung mga bahay or mga buildings na dinesign or what, but how you did your life. Di ba? Kasi yun, hindi mawawala yun eh. Bakit maski namatay ka na, yun ang record mo, hindi sabihin na mayaman niya. Ito yung mga nagawa niya sa kabutihan ng community, no? So I think that is the better reward that we can get as as an architect.
Ayan, napaka-humble ni Architect Ray, and We have learned so much from him, especially about designs and syempre yung humility bilang isang architect and a proud Ilocano. Once again, of course, it's an honor for us to be with Architect Raimundo H. Florentino.
It's a pleasure.
And proud Ilocano. So, babalik pa ang Wake Up Ilocos.